Hello again. We are going to refreshen our big mirror, and as you can see, it needs a little sanding before you paint it. So it has a little crack here that I will fill with some caulking. Then I'm going to paint it silver, but first I have to sand it a little bit so the paint can stick. So this is what I'm going to do first, and you just use a little caulking here to fill the cracks if it has any crack on the wood. But basically this is very easy to do, so just sand it. Make sure that you use protection tape around the mirror if you don't want paint on your mirror. But if you do get paint on the mirror, you just have to get a sharp blade and just slightly scrape it off without scratching the mirror. This is the silver, and I'm gonna mix it. Make sure that everything is mixed very well before you start painting, because all that paint, if you don't mix it, when you paint, is not gonna come out very well. So you have to make sure that it's all mixed. And look, when you don't mix it, there's lumps in there, so you have to make sure that all those lumps are gone before you start painting any furniture or anything that you put yourself to paint, because all that needs to be dissolved and smoothly mixed into the paint, so you'll have a nice look to your furniture. Okay, so now it's dry, so now I'm gonna put a second coat. I'm finished with the mirror. Now I'm gonna show you how I take off the paint droppings that I dropped on the mirror, like I'm showing you here. You see those drops? I'm going to show you how to take them off. I take a blade, a sharp one, and just slant it a little bit and just take them off, see? And it comes right off. So you can clean your mirror and all that paint is gone, and then you wipe it with Windex. See how easy that is? All the small droppings that I dropped in the mirror comes right out. And this is how the mirror looks like. It's silver, and I'm going to show you once I get it into the house how it looks. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the mirror. It's silver, looks really nice. It's all done, all silver. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel there. See you later.